Hello YouTube family, let's provide the solution given this exponential equation. Okay, now solution, we have 5 raised to power x minus 2. This is equal to 20. Okay, so 5 raised to power x minus 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n minus m, which we can express as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this particular property, so that we're going to have 5 raised to power x divided by 5 raised to power 2. This is equal to 20. Okay, 20 is our whole number, so this is over 1. So let's cross multiply this. So if you cross multiply, you're going to have 5 raised to power x. This is equal to 5 raised to power 2 multiplying by 20. Okay, now from here we apply the natural logarithm, so for the value of x. So you'll have log 5 raised to power x. This is equal to log 5 raised to power 2 multiplying by 20. Okay, now from here, if you check here, log 5 squared times 20 can also be expressed as, let's express 20 as 5 multiplying by 4. Okay, so we'll have log 5 raised to power x. This is equal to log 5 raised to power 2 multiplying by 5 times 4. Okay, so from here, log 5 raised to power x, this is in the form of log m raised to power n, okay, which we can express as n log m. Okay, so if we apply this property, we're going to have x log 5. This is equal to log, this is 5 squared, okay, multiplying by 5 multiplying by 4. Okay, which is the same thing as log, this is 5 squared times 5. This is 5 raised to power 1, which is in the form of a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, which we can express as a raised to power n plus m. Okay, so by doing so, this is 5 raised to power 3 multiplying by 4. Okay, we just add the powers, that is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So from the right hand side, log 5 raised to power 3 multiplying by 4, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply this property. So you will have x log 5, this is equal to log 5 raised to power 3 plus log 4. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 5 by log 5, divide also this side by log 5. Okay, let's simplify here. You will have x is equal to, this is the same thing as 3 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Okay, so if we simplify here, we're going to have x is equal to 3 plus log 4 divided by log 5. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property. So you're going to have log 4 to base 5. Let's apply this property. Okay, now this is the value of x, which is 3 plus log 4 to base 5. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay, so if you recall, we had that 5 raised to power x minus 2, this is supposed to give us 20. Okay, so let's substitute this quickly. We will have 5 raised to power 3 plus log 4 to base 5 subtract 2, this is equal to 20. Okay, so this is 3 subtract 2, which is equal to 1. So this is 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 to base 5, this is equal to 20. Okay, now from what we have here, 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 to base 5. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so we'll have 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now, you find that 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property. So we'll have 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5. This is the same thing as 4. Okay, so let's substitute this 4 back to the equation. So you're going to have 5 times this 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Okay, so this is 5 times 4, which is equal to 20, which happens to be equal to 20. Okay, so that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, and that shows that the value of x, which is 3 plus log 4 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps. See you in the next video.